Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're trying to create a three plane in space in which they intersect in one point. This can be useful in class like linear algebra, in which this represents a solution of 3 by 3 system of linear equation that have unique solution. So to start, I'm creating a three plane based on the normal plane that we have, and clicking on construct, I'm choosing the offset plane, pick one of those plane first, and then the new plane will be 10 millimeter parallel to the other one. Do the same thing for the other plane. For this one, again, 10 millimeter, and the third one, and this one will be XY, again, 10 millimeter. So now if you look at here in the construction, you see plane 1, plane 6, 7, 8. So let's change this one to plane 1, plane 2, and plane 3. Now I am going on create. I want to click on sketch and choosing one of the plane. Make sure all your plane are active. So let's first pick this one, and we start creating a plane with 20 by 20. We will create in a square. So 20, 20, and here we go. And then after you create in square, click finish. So now we have the first sketch, which will be square, and I'm going extruded 1 millimeter, not too much, just one. Now I have a first plane, and then I can go to the second plane. What I'm requesting you to do here is make sure at first your plane will be hidden. This will be useful for. Now let's click on the second one and make a sketch, or create a sketch and pick one of the new plane you created. So let's pick in plane number 2. Similarly, we're creating a square starting from here, and 20 one side and the other one 20. Now after you creating the square 20 by 20, click finish. Doing the same process, I'm going extrude the same shape. How much? 1 millimeter. That was too much. Yes. So now if you am hitting the body, you have two plane. Now we need to hide the second one, and I need to work on the last plane to create the third plane. So click on sketch, choose this plane, and then the process is repeated. 20 by 20. When you are in this mode, you can tap, and then the window that is blue will be the location that have a blue will be activated. So you have a 20, 20, tap, 20. So you move into one places, you can do tap. Now I have everything. Now, sorry. So after you finishing the second one, you should tap and then finish. And here we go. So now do the same process, extrude. How much? 1 millimeter. And here we go. So now and hitting all this. Now this three plane are intersecting one point, but it will be nice if you give him some different color. So click on the first body, left click and appearance. And in here, I already preloaded this one. If you want to find any color, you write, let's say blue. So those color will be here. So for now, I want to put red for this one. For yellow, I want to be this one, which is perpendicular to the red one. You drag it and release it. And for green, the last one, this. So now I have three beautiful plane. After you finish these, what you can do, save it in your location. This is a folder I call workshop. And after I finish it, I'm clicking on export as what? I want to export it as STL. but it's important to call this plane intersection, and download it.